Welcome back to my channel. Keep it healthy. Today we are going to see about Leucas aspera, commonly known as Thumba or Thumbai or Tumma Chettu and Chota Halkusa in Hindi. The phytochemicals present in this plant are labdane, transcaryophyllene, labellanic acid, lauric acid, glutaric acid, adipic acid, etc. Uses of this plant are tremendous, like it has properties of antipyretic, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic and antimicrobial activity. Act as an antibilious which is used in treatment of jaundice. The hexane and methanolic extracts in Leucas aspera show prominent antibacterial activity. Traditionally, the juice of leaves are used for scorpion sting and snake bites. This plant have ability to flush out the toxins, and the paste of the leaves along with lemon juice and sesame oil taken on empty stomach help in treating menstrual issues. It is widely used in treating problems like cough, congestion, blockage of nose, headache, mainly caused due to sinusitis and migraine. The paste of the leaves applied externally for skin diseases like patchy skin, psoriasis, scabies, itching, etc. This medicinal herb is hot in potency and heats up the body, so avoid its use in excess. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel. Press bell icon button for the notifications and then like, share and comment.